we would like to introduce our new EVOLVEO RoboTrex H11 Vision Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. A built-in camera and a gyroscopic navigation bring this model among the most efficient robotic vacuum cleaners available on the market. Thanks to route optimization, it can clean your complex flat or house even more efficiently. And when cleaning is done, it returns automatically to the charging station. The central turbo brush ensures deep carpet cleaning, and a pair of side brushes guarantee perfect cleaning at the corners. Standard suction mode can be switched to maximum power on the remote control to clean even heavily polluted areas even better. The mounted BLDC engine achieves long-lasting service life, higher reliability, quieter operation, and more economical operation than conventional motors used in competing models. 3 pairs of sensors will prevent the vacuum cleaner from falling, and 9 pairs of sensors will protect your furniture and the vacuum cleaner from impacts. The vacuum cleaner allows you to schedule cleaning for any period of time, meaning your active presence will no longer be needed. The HEPA filter helps to capture the finest dust, allergenic mites, and animal allergens. For wet mopping, fill the mopping module with clean water and attach the mopping pad with the mop to the bottom of the vacuum cleaner. The microfiber mop is also suitable for dry mopping, gyro navigation, and a camera for more precise cleaning. BLDC engine achieves long service life. Central brush, 2 suction power modes, Eco and Max.